We're going to teach you something that's definitely for the ISO builders or the distribution builders or distro builders, however you want to call it, and it's still in the realm of Git learning tutorial. See what happens. We have a prime repo and we have 2 times database already registered. But we have one in Bitbucket, we have one in GitLab, and one in the GitHub. So 3 databases with the same name, Pacman can't cope with it. But I want to have fallbacks. I want to have a distro, and I have 3 sources, and I want people to download from one of them. They can choose, or am I right? But no error. Solution is a mirror list. As the guys up here say, include something. Control C. So what if we say to the system here, prime repo. So keep everything as is for now, but we need to give it a name. I don't know. Linux Prime was our new distro name. Linux, again, Linux Prime mirror list, or just Linux Prime, whatever you want to call it. He's gonna go for the file, right? So Linux Prime, short. That means I have to go to, well, yeah, you can keep open. I will go to computer, file system. Of course, you're gonna make a package build, a package build later on to put that particular folder where it's supposed to be, and the folder where it's supposed to be, let's just start typing, is in here. We have the ArcoLinux mirror list, and I have a type I've made, I see here, and a Celtic mirror list and Deborah list. So normally we put the name in front of it, but Linux Prime will do just fine. Right mouse click, open folder as root. I'm gonna create a folder there called Linux Prime, and Linux Prime is empty. Sublime text, thank you very much. And what we're gonna do is grab the code that's up here, all great code. Control C, let's make this bigger. Control V. What do I not need? I have to think. Do we put server in front of it? We'll just go and have a look. All right, we have 3 sources. These are the 3 sources. And let's look what it should be. Just take one of them, this one. It still says server, right? Take another one. Okay, server equals, etc. There's a space, so probably it's gonna be important, the space. So let's check. Yeah, all good. So if I save this, Linux Prime is saved. We can remove this, we can remove that. This is here. Update. Too soon, because this is good, but Pacman is still the old Pacman, right? So basically I'm gonna go edit, line, toggle comment. No, not working this time. Well, actually we don't need it, right? It's actually not needed anymore. You can keep in text, as much as text as you like, but basically prime repo sig level is not included up here. We do include it, and we should type include, and that's done. Yep, looks good. And update, and that's working. So if I put if I put a hashtag in front of this thing, then now the package is coming from there. If I put a hashtag in front of this thing, then the package is coming from there. Still working. And if I put the package and hashtag in from there, then the package is coming from here. Oops, right? There is nothing left. You removed all the servers. So where should it find it? There is no way that I can synchronize my databases. Again, everything up. And again, everything up. So that's something I think you'll need if you have more than one server and your packages are in GitHub, in GitLab, in Bitbucket in this example. Then you need to tell pacman, hey, if you're looking for a certain package, in our case prime xfce, git choose number 1, it's not there. He'll go number 2, it's not there. It goes to number 3, it's not there. Error. Okay, so I think that will be handy for some of you guys who are out here, in here at ArcoLinux, right, to build their own ISOs. Cheers.